I was sent this product at no cost for the purpose of this review, so let's unbox this thing and check it out. All right, so this is all of the parts out of the box for the shelf. It has this set of instructions right here that looks like it's going to be very easy to go through. And it does not look like this is going to be a very hard shelf to put together, but my wife says she wants to try it, and we'll see what she thinks on how easy it was to put together. But so far so good. It looks like everything's there, and we're going to get working on it. And here it is. This is the shelf all put together. It's nice. I like the way it looks. The wood pattern that is on the shelves looks like a pretty easy to match wood pattern. So if you're looking at matching this shelf with maybe a desk or other shelves, it looks like it's a pretty easy pattern to match. And then the black metal, well, it's black metal. That's usually pretty easy to match. Overall, it seems to be pretty sturdy. Now, this room has a pretty good size edge on it, so you can't push it all the way against the wall because you can see the legs go straight down. But it does come with some straps, so if you're worried about this hitting the wall or falling over, you have straps that you can strap this to the wall. But yeah, all in all, I really like the shelf. We're going to start putting stuff on it. It was pretty easy to put together. If you just follow the instructions, it goes together with no problem. And it didn't take very long to do. Looks like it will hold a lot on the shelf. All right, so I hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.